love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always
Namaste friends. So today is chapter 86 in the entire Python on the Python series, and this is only the second chapter in the science SciPy, and this is constants that we actually talked in the previous lecture, and this is part 2. And the reason why I actually split this thing into 3 parts is, as I told you, there are many things here, like somewhere close to some 13 or 14 commands, and it'll be too much for us to look into it. So we saw what a constant is and how it is actually used in the data science world and stuff of that nature. So today it is the same continuation. In order to see what all is there in the constants module in the SciPy, we actually use the directory constants. Okay, we actually import the constants, we actually print the directory, so it actually gives us a list of things. And yesterday we saw 3 of those, and the last one being mass, which is a kilogram, gram, ounce, blah blah blah. So what we are going to do today is we are going to see the angle. So the angles is basically like, the angles that I've been seeing for quite some time. It returns specified unit in radians. All right. So if I actually go here and if I actually type this here from the SciPy import constants, which is basically going to be from here, the angles is degree, arc minute, arc second, arc second. So these 5 actually constitutes towards the angles, and this is what I have. And if you see, like, I can get this anywhere here, like degree, on all those things I can actually get it here. So this is what it is here. All right, fantastic. Now the second one is I want to return the time. Okay, so the time is also present here. So if you actually see from the the time is actually the minute and stuff of that nature. I'm just searching for the minute. Yeah, minute is here. So if you see the minute, hour, day, week, year, Julian, these are all available here. This is how we actually do the print the constants and stuff of that nature. You actually run this and it actually gives me this. The minute is 60, the hour is 3600, which is multiplied by 60. The day is multiplied by that, and stuff of the, it keeps on going. All right. And then we have the length. Okay, the length is quite a lot because there is a lot of things in the length. So if you see from the SciPy import constants, the inch, foot, yard, mile, mil, point, survey foot, survey mile, nautical mile, Fermi, angstrom, micron, AU, astronomical unit, light year, parsec, all these things are the SciPy. Okay, and this is what it is. Awesome. Pressure. So the car tire pressure, or in general the other pressure can be measured by this pressure. So in this pressure, it is basically we can take this ATM, atmosphere, bar, torr, PS, PSI, and stuff of that nature. So if you see the PSI, it is all here. Okay, so everything actually comes from this directory. So if we actually run this, so this is what it actually gives me. All right. So this is the 5 things that I want. Area. Let's actually see the area, which is the final one. So the area is a square meter, the hectare, acre. So these things are the area. So if I actually run this, this is what a hectare is, like 10,000, and an acre is this thing. Okay, this measurement. So these are the 5 things that I wanted to see. I wanted to see for today. So tomorrow we'll be seeing 6 more things, and we'll be wrapping up the constants. All right. I trust you have actually watched my lecture, probably enjoyed it, and definitely understood the same. If you have any questions, kindly contact me. I'll actually try to help you to the best of my abilities. Like always, I'd like to thank 2 persons. One is you for giving me your golden time, and the other is my wife Jayashri for allowing me to follow my passion. Till we see next time. Thank you. Take care and cheers.